weighing 200 pounds and a height of 5 foot 3 inches. He loves eating, sleeping, and that's pretty much it. Today we have food.
Did you say something?
Yes, I said I have food, but you have to stay awake and battle to get it.
Ooh, okay, I'm ready.
Are you sure? Okay, in this corner, it's him. In this corner, weighing 985 pounds and a height of 6 foot 7 inches. Again, he's destroyed 784 planets, has a gauntlet which grants him godlike powers, and is still determined to balance the universe. I hope we have the Avengers on speed dial, because today we have...
You hope you have who on speed dial?
No, I was saying that I hope we have a member who feeds Kyle, because Kyle gets hungry?
Don't lie to me. I could... What is that?
Oh, that's your opponent.
Is this some kind of a joke? Where's my real opponent?
I'm sorry, man. That's what the people voted for.
It's okay. He's probably scared. What?
Frick, what are you doing?
I mean, I know I'm scary because I scare that guy in the mirror every day. I should just snap you out of existence right now.
Or we could start the battle and you could beat him that way.
This doesn't stand a chance to get me. I'm inevitable. Go ahead. Amuse me.
Okay, here we go in 3, 2, 1, go!
A celebration. No, we're gonna do it right tonight. Hey, you feeling? Music's got me feeling the need. Yeah, come on. Alright, we're gonna celebrate one more time. Celebrate and dance for free. One more time, you just got me feeling so free. I wanna celebrate and dance for free. One more time, you just got me feeling so free. I wanna celebrate and dance for free. One more time.
Disgusting and awesome at the same time.
No, it was just disgusting. No, the way they drew Squidward is disgusting.
I'm not Squidward, you pink buffoon.
Let's get this over with.
Okay, here we go in 3, 2, 1, go!
Don't you be a meanie, don't you want a mini go up while you trying to give me team me up? Is it dreamy?
Wasted on a genie, younger face, finally, yeah, you wanted to see me up. I'm not you want this, all my life. My life, saying you want to do some give me thought. You lie, just say me, need a me, being you want from me, being just say me, need a me, being you want from me, up. Hey, Panini, don't you be meaning, thought you wanted me to go up while you trying to give me to me now. Now they need me, now I'm on a streaming, oh yeah, you used to love me, so what happened, what's the meaning of? I'm not you want this all my life. My life, saying you want to do something in me, drive. You lie, just say that you want from me, just say that you want from me.
Why so serious?
I'm always serious. I'm never serious.
Okay. But what is serious is the voting. Don't forget to click on this icon or comment down below on who you guys think won the battle.